The sin tax reform law is now in effect. This measure seeks to generate much-needed revenues for the government. This report.
The price of sin products, to include cigarettes and alcohol, increased with the full implementation of Republic Act 10351, better known as the Sin Tax Reform Law, which will generate additional revenues of 33.5 billion pesos. Initially, the law sets two price tiers for both tobacco and alcohol products, which will gradually increase yearly and will finally settle at a single rate by 2017. Distilled spirits will be taxed through a mix of ad valorem and specific tax. Whether the cigarette is locally manufactured or imported with a net retail price below 11 pesos and 50 centavos, the tax is 12 pesos this year, to increase gradually to 21 pesos in 2015 and finally 25 pesos in 2016. The tax of 30 pesos will be applied to all cigarettes in 2017. The same formula will be applied to alcohol. By 2017, a tax of 23 pesos and 50 centavos will be imposed on all fermented liquor. For distilled spirits, it's a specific tax of 20 pesos plus an additional of 20% to be imposed based on net retail price.
We're concerned about collecting the increasing excise tax. But how much it will translate into increase in prices, that's not really something that the government has any control or authority over. Because it's a function of a business decision of the manufacturer and importer. If they believe that they can sell the product at the same volume at a much higher price, they will increase the cigarette at much more than the increase in the excise tax. But if they believe that they want to keep the market share and not shift the burden in terms of increase to the consumer, they can also opt to do so.
The price increases will mean lower sales for cigarettes and alcohol. BIR Commissioner Kim Hinares said the new tax rates will bring more revenues despite a diminishing market.
There's a projection of lowering of consumption, but because of the increase in tax rate, it compensates for that and gives you more incremental revenue.
Despite this, the President's Universal Healthcare Program will have more funds which will benefit the poor. Tobacco farmers are also expected to benefit since 15% of the amount raised from the sin taxes from cigarettes will enable them to engage in planting high-value crops to ensure the lost income from tobacco has an alternative.
The health sector will have some money to help treat not only those from tobacco-related and alcohol-related sickness, but among the poorest of our population, they will be able to provide them with health services.
For the People's Television Network, Bando reporting.